Can you hear that? They've been going off for an hour or two now. It's like 6 something in the morning. And yeah, what's with the get up here? Well, I'm trying something new. Eventually the wife and I want to buy a toy hauler, especially for retirement, which good and bad isn't too far away. So I threw the bike in the trailer. I set up a bed in the trailer, and I'll show you that later. I've got an AC unit in here that, yeah, I didn't exhaust it right. My fault, so it doesn't work right, but that's okay. Where am I? Well, I am at the Bus Stop Campground just outside of Terlingua, Texas. I found this place on HipCamp. I came in last night. My truck and trailer, when they're attached, are 42 feet long, and it was a tight squeeze to get in here. Hey, Editor Pat here. I just wanted to say something about the campground before I go any further. If you look them up on HipCamp, it says up to 14-foot RVs or trailers or whatever. So I reached out to the owner, David, before I even left Ohio, and he gave me permission to bring in as big a unit as what I had. He said I should be able to get it in there, and he was right, but boy was it tight. Just keep that in mind if you want to do this. So this is going to be just a quick, short intro here to a new chapter of Pat's adventures and travels. Yeah, this is different. All right, thanks for watching. All right, there we got the old truck. Here we got the trailer, and I have it set up. It's a mess right now. I've just literally thrown everything to where I've got a simple bed in here, just on some E-track, just like the E-track in the floor. The wife's bike will go back there. And then the super mess, my bike, it goes up front here. And it seemed to work okay. Gets a little warm in here. It's not enough of a vent for the AC unit. My fault for not testing everything, but yeah, it kind of works.